Instatraction big ripper for semis. This strap is 16,000 pound tear strength. It is also triple sewn where it goes through the rim on a semi, so it is stronger. It makes it much stronger for no tear points. It is not a strap at all for a half-ton truck or normal rims. It's made for semi rims. Strap is 56 inches long, heavy-duty steel, 3-inch wide. A set of these is over 12 pounds. It's for when you just can't get going with your semi. You made a little bit of ice, you can't move. You gotta call a tow truck. It could be hundreds of dollars. You're wasting time on your log, electronic logs these days. Comes in a set of 2. Put one on each tire. It gets you up and going that much quicker. And also gives you that one shot. Sometimes you only have one shot to get out and it'll get you going quicker. Put it on, run it through your rim. You run it through these holes, make sure there's no tire valve there. Where it's triple thick, it comes through the rim, makes it a stronger strap. You pull it tight. Make it as tight as you can, and away you go. But when you make ice, sometimes you just can't move with these trucks. This is what it's made for. You can't get away from the dock. This is what it's made for. Much quicker than tire chains. But it's not for going down the road. It's 5 miles an hour, max speed. As soon as you get out of your situation, you take this off.